Hello everyone, welcome to our beautiful channel. Today we're going to talk with Jeevan Svet. He's a neurologist and he will tell us about Ayurveda and Panchakarma approach. It's a healing practice and tell us please history of this method. How did you know about this?
Thank you, Alina. I was glad to share because Ayurveda and Panchakarma saved my life. Ayurveda is Indian ancient medicine, is healing knowledge about happy and prosperity life, healthy lifestyle. In the roots of words, Ayur is mean uh, life, and Veda knowledge about life. This that combine five elements: ether, wind, fire, water, and earth. And Panchakarma. Panchakarma um, is practical using Ayurveda knowledge in some type in a time period from 1 day till 21 day. It's depends what issue with health you have.
So what is the approach during these 21 days, for example? What are we going to do? What's the principles of this healing process?
Principle of Ayurveda is oiling. Um, our goal in Panchakarma is give all cells, all layer of the body special oil. So we oil body from outside and inside, and step by step, day by day, oil go deep inside the body, and oil can have possibility to dissolve all mucus, toxins, um, stagnation, inflammation, and take out from the body what is not belong to the body.
What the body doesn't need anymore.
Mm, yeah, because one of the function of the body, if it's cleaning, but if body don't have space for deep cleaning, body compound this element inside, and so this element connect with each other and pressed, and sometimes so much this mucus inside the body even can appear stones, what usually surgeries can find in body after 40. The stones inside gallbladder, liver, kidneys. Yeah, it's before small piece, before they become a stone, before it's small pieces of mucus.
Mm-hmm. So we put oil inside the body and outside the body.
Yeah, we give uh, we give oil treatment. We drink oil, use oily food, and put oil in the nose, in the ears. We make animal with oil. It's the first part of Panchakarma. We give oil to the body, and second part of Panchakarma, we remove oil from the body. We use purgation. Person go many times to toilet. We use vomiting and sweating.
Sweating.
Yeah, we go to the steam bath, and to the steaming we use for all time of Panchakarma, because steaming also help go oil deeper, and chemistry process what is happen every time in the body just move faster.
Mm-hmm. So 21 days of full Panchakarma course can give what kind of benefits? What is the result?
First of all, what for me it's like miracle, and for people it's rejuvenation. After Panchakarma, you can see how body become more younger, especially I can see this on people after 50, after 60. They take out 10 years, and Panchakarma is like reset button in computer. It's reboot of system. because cells and between cells layer feel very free. Toxins and product what is not body not digest, what is not belong to the body, this compound product. If we remove this power what we have of life in the body, it just start to spread it in all cells. Yeah, like fireworks. And everybody sees this power in the body when you have some cutting and body rejuvenate everything by themselves. If give this place clean, is make this place clean and not put too much water. This power we just let them work and open.
Mm-hmm. So, okay, the main principle is putting oil in the body, then removing oil. What else? What else?
Yeah, we give space. First of all, it's healing from relaxation point. So we create space for the making panchakarma. So you need. We must invite natural biorhythmic relaxation. We must be in tuned in the biorhythm and with power of nature, because these 5 elements work all day in the nature too. For example, fire in the middle of the day make you hungry and you can nicely digest food. Or in the morning you can see in the leaves in the early morning water, so water element dominate in the nature. In the evening time we want to sleep, so land element, peacefulness coming. And knowing that, we just in tuned our day, our energy circulation with circulation energy in the world and cosmos, because our body is microcosm. We very dependent for the cosmic and planetary power, and if you start to avoid this nature power, your body function not well. And usually people who sleep long time and have this like computer work till the night, or have a night lifestyle, they have a lot of issues with them psycho level, because our psyche can also rest only in a special time of the day. From 9 till 9 o'clock in the evening till 1 o'clock, we have this stage of sleeping, deep stage, when we're not dreaming, when body can fully let go and relax. And if you miss this time, you just half sleep. But if you have this time, you can sleep less, 4 or 5 hours per day. It can be enough, because in this time you rest like 1 hour, like 2 hours. And also if you wake up in the morning, you have plus day in your life. You can make so much more. You have time for reading your favorite books. You have time just for meditation, just for sitting, just to be.
Okay, thank you very much,
Thank you,
Dr.
Alina.
Jeevan. We will ask Jeevan more questions in the next episode. Thank you everyone for watching, and join us for Panchakarma online program. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you. Welcome.